Today we are looking at an office tester seed cleaner. This is a small seed cleaner that will sit on a tabletop. We're going to do a walk around of this unit and then we're going to fire it up so you can see it run. We are doing some work around here today, so hopefully the noise won't bother you. This unit is powered by a single-phase electric motor. Comes with 10 screens of various sizes. You can see all the screens here. They're all stacked up. It also has these pans here that catch the scalpings. This one catches the scalpings as they come out of the scalpings discharge. This one over here catches the fine dust as it's discharged out the fines discharge. It has this iris control here that controls the airflow that goes up and through the grain after it's sifted by the screens. That allows you to tailor the airflow perfectly to the needs of your crop. It's just controlled by this lever here. You can see it working the other side as well. This unit has this removable hopper here. That is what meters the flow of product onto the screens. It's controlled by this wing nut here. Tightening the wing nut opens up the feed gate. Loosening the wing nut closes the feed gate. Has this removable catch-all here on the end to catch the chaff and the coals that are discharged. That just slides over the fan discharge right there. Easy to put on, easy to remove. Also has this box that is removable. This catches the heavier chaff that's discharged by the fan. The clean grain is discharged out the bottom here into this pan. That just slides in underneath of there and then you're ready to clean. It's removable. Now we are going to fire the unit up for you so you can see it run. Here you can see the unit running. It fires right up. There are no irregular noises. Hums right along. You can see the drive pulley going around there. You can see inside of the fan housing. You can see the fan working. Everything's working as it should. As I said, there are no irregular noises. Comes right along. Again, this lever is used to change the airflow that goes up and through the fan. There's your fines discharge. Again, we're doing some work around here. The forklift is going, so hopefully the noise from that won't bother you. Just an all-around nice unit, ready to go out and perform.